Hello everyone, welcome to the project Puzzle Box, which is a project that we intend to use as a teaching and learning aid during mathematical classes. This project, as you see, this box has been made from locally available resources and materials which are cost effective, and for our box, it has a lid. This one will help us to protect these tiles from being misplaced. Inside here we have tiles that have been well printed with visible colors, bright colors for ease identification. Now, the purpose of this puzzle box is to enhance the activity of learners and learner engagements. For instance, you may have an expression where you need learners to arrange them practically. Now, let me have one of the students here to come and continue demonstrating how this practically works. Hello guys.
Hello.
So just as my colleague has done some introduction, let me pick it from here. So this is our mathematics puzzle box. It contains different numerics, or call them numbers. For instance, we have numbers ranging from 0 to 1. This is 0. This is 1. All the way up to 8. And finally we have 9. Also, the second part of the puzzle is we have the operation signs. For instance, we have curly brackets, the curved one. We also have square brackets, You can see them beautifully made. We also have variables. For instance, in this case, we chose to use the variable x and y. So, variable x is this one. Also, we have variable y. So let me not leave behind that. We also have operational signs, like the addition sign. Here it is. We also have the subtraction sign, and this is our equal sign. So for instance, you can be given theoretically, you can be given an algebraic expression. Let's say 2x plus 4y. Please come in here. So for instance, let's say we are being directed to solve 2x into 2x plus 4 close the bracket minus 2. We are told here to solve. So given such an algebraic expression, we can use our variables and the operational signs from our equal signs here. Let me just add here 4y so that we can take care of all variables in our puzzle box. Okay. So let me call someone else here to come and demonstrate on how we are going to arrange this practically. Okay. So here's the
Okay. So my colleagues will assist on arranging this one. As the question was said,
we'll start with the square bracket.
okay.
Okay. 2.
We also have x.
Then our curved brackets.
We have 2.
Then x. X is here.
Addition sign.
There is 4.
We have 1.
And then our last brackets.
Next, there is a negative sign.
Have a 2.
There.
The last
And
bracket.
finally, the closing square bracket. So that is the question. On opening these brackets, as you can see, we have 2x. This bracket means there is a multiplication sign. So we'll further arrange these tiles such that we'll have 2x multiplied by 2x. So you can assist on arranging the variables. Okay, so we can rearrange this one. So we have 2x multiplied by 2x. So this is 2x. Where is the multiplication sign? Okay, there is the multiplication sign. So we have 2x multiplied by 2x. So you open these brackets. Then next is 2x multiplied by 4y. There is addition sign first. You can assist. You have addition sign. This one. Yes. There is addition sign. Then 2x. We've already opened the brackets. So there is 2 plus x. Yes, there is x. 2x multiplied by 4y. The 4 is already here. Then next is y. From there, should be multiplication sign. Okay. Correction. There's multiplication sign. The multiplication sign. Yes. Thank you for that. So we have multiplied by 4y. Then there is the subtraction sign minus 2. Yes. So from there, we now have 2x multiplied by 2x. What is the answer, colleagues? So we can rearrange such that we have 4x squared. 4 is here. We have 4x squared. So we've already multiplied 2x by 2x and got 4x squared. Then next we had 2x multiplied by 4y. What is the answer?
8x1.
Okay, so there was addition sign, so it's plus 8xy. This is the addition sign, plus 8, thank you, 8xy. These ones, you can either arrange as yx or xy, any can work. So we can arrange as 8yx. Next was minus 2. Okay. Are there any like terms?
No.
No. So our final answer will be this one. Okay. Closing remarks.
Now, as you see, or as you start and where we have reached here, we have practically used our tiles to organize our algebraic expression into a very simplified one using tiles with operations, numbers, and variables like x and y. And this is how we can use this prototype to increase engagement and interactivity in class.
Just to add on that, our mathematics puzzle box here, it mainly focuses on algebraic expressions and operations. So this is where we only limited to. I think that's the most disadvantages that, and the rest is well taken care of.
Like simple operations like 1 plus 1, we can still do 1 plus 1 practically by arranging tile 1 and tile 1 using equal signs. We still go then into our puzzle box and locate and find tile 2, which is our result. That is the end of our presentation on puzzle box. Thank you.
Thank you.